All right. So, as many know, um, Luna dropped like a rock, right? So maybe start to think like about other stable coins. Okay. Um. So I thought about Tether. Okay. Now think about this. They are owned by this company right here. Okay. Uh, which is a Hong Kong registered company. Okay. Just think about that for a second. So Tether is owned by Hong Kong. Okay. And mints currency, pretty much as they please, right? So now you just simple Google searches, right? I'm gonna make this very, very simple on how China is literally inflating our economy and we are letting them. Okay. Um, all right. Total supply currently 83,713,622,671 right now. Okay. That's not even like I could argue that like the policies and everything like they didn't help, but we are allowing this to be currently traded, and our dollar to be inflated by China. Okay, and look at this, no max supply, so they could just do it whenever the hell they feel like it. Okay, now you know I mean let's see. Like USDC is actually it's owned by Circle, okay, which actually burns the coins, okay. So that's a little bit different. But I mean, some people, obviously Hong Kong is like, it's still part of China, okay. It's a little bit different, still part of China though. In all reality, I mean, we are allowing China to control our like inflation. Like, think about that. Okay, look, now this is how much we are currently sitting on. Let's see. As of 5/6/22, we are sitting on $83.17 billion that China has minted for us. The U.S. didn't do that. China did, and we let them. Okay. Now, I want you to think for a second. Now they've been sued in the past. Okay, they pay their thing, whatever. But then they could go ahead and mint more USDT and sell that, and literally pay the loan or pay the fine, excuse me, with the money that they mint anyway. That's not even a slap on the wrist. It's a speed bump. Okay, but yeah. Okay. Now I don't want to go too far into XRP because I could talk for a very long time about XRP. I remember simple Google searches, and this is going to be based on why I believe that our system is crashing on purpose, and the U.S. government is allowing it. Okay. Now, I would argue that it's deflationary. Okay, but I just did a simple search. Does XRP inflate? I know technically it's deflationary because of fees and stuff like that. But in other words, unlike Bitcoin's decentralized economy, XRP supply and issuance is centralized and governed by a few authorities, aka it could be taxed. Okay, so honestly, that helps our case. Because the total supply already exists, which means that it's not inflationary like Tether, no more will be created into existence, thus making XRP fixed in quantity and not inflationary. Anybody who's like up to date on XRP already knew that, right? But for those that aren't familiar with XRP, now you could, now you are. But we are in what, over a well over a year of a year and a half of a lawsuit. Um, Meanwhile, we're letting China inflate our economy. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I do stock market analysis basically all day, every day. So yeah, throw me a sub and a like if you don't mind, and we have a good day. Maybe tweet about it. My Twitter is at Moonshoes on Deck. I did tweet a picture of, kind of like a breakdown, and I did tag, the SEC, tagged, Janet Yellen. I did all that happy stuff. But getting some retweets and getting that to go viral, to getting like to let everybody understand what the hell is happening and how we're letting, China handle our inflation issues. Um, that kind of goes beyond socialism, actually. But, that's neither here nor there. Let's not get political about it. Let's talk about money. You know what I mean? I just think it's screwed up that another country is literally defining like what our dollar is worth, and putting economic hardship on, millions of people. But yeah, that's the video. I'll catch y'all later. I appreciate you tuning in.